Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to permanently remove Microsoft account on Windows PC. So so the very first thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu, right click on it. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to account right here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is simply navigate to email and accounts. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply select the account you want to remove. So I'm going to remove this account. So having selected the account, come down below right here, click on remove. Are you sure you want to remove this account? Email and content associated with it will be removed from this device. If you are an organization, manage this device. Other stored data may be removed by your organization. Simply click on yes, and it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply remove Microsoft accounts totally, permanently on your Windows PC. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.